The Somali government and its people have shown incredible commitment to economic reforms in recent years. Recognizing this effort, as of today, more than 100 countries, including many low-income countries, have agreed to contribute the money the IMF needs to provide debt relief to Somalia. So what needs to happen next? World Bank and African Development Bank staff need to secure the approval of their boards to clear Somalia's arrears. At the same time, other creditors need to agree to provide debt relief. These steps will hopefully be completed by late March, allowing Somalia to reach a significant milestone, the HIPC decision point. That means a reduction of Somalia's debt by about 2/3. It also means Somalia's relations with international financial institutions will have normalized, unlocking its access to new resources to jumpstart growth. If Somalia sustains its commitment to reform, it could reach the completion point within 3 years, when almost all its debt will be written off, creating a real opportunity for Somalia to begin reshaping the lives of its people.